This is just the first high rise I built. I've always been on smaller cranes, you know, just usually 160, 180, 200 feet, something like that for your normal 6-7 story buildings. Normally all I've been on, but this is the third Westin hotel I've worked on. I worked on the one in Charlotte, North Carolina in 2001. And last year I was out at the Westin, well, a year before last I was at the Westin Hotel in Colorado. Most days start, usually come in at 6. Usually summertime's 6 to, probably 6 to 6, you know, usually 12-hour days. It's a long climb to the top. But got a lot of nice views and see a lot of interesting things. See a lot of hawks. Had a few of them on the crane with me. Had one try to get in the cab with me. It was a little scary. See people here in Nashville, what I've seen is people driving around the circles the wrong way. Just see a lot of pretty sunsets and sunrises, and basically just that, and looking down all the time. I've been doing this since 1995. Started with the South Carolina State House renovations, and I've been to Atlanta, Houston, Colorado. So it's been a few places in the United States. It is a busy city. I think Miami's probably the only place that's had more cranes, you know, at one time than here. Charlotte's done it a couple times, and Houston's a pretty busy city, but this place is booming. It can get pretty mental up there. It's kind of stressful. Crane moves a lot, so moves like a tree in the wind. Moving materials and, you know, helping get the building, unload trucks, raise forms, put forms up to pour concrete in. All kind of, you know, just picking and grinning.